Coto, a Web3 social community platform for women, has been launched by eWorld. Coto, which can be understood as an abbreviation of the word coming together, is a modern electronic environment for women that allows for unrestricted creativity and is based on the premise of permissions and ongoing participation. This community can be classified as Web3 social community, and in this video, we'll go over what Web3 is and what Coto is. Let's get started. There seems to be a catchphrase that crypto, tech, and venture capitalists have recently been obsessed with, and the term is Web3. It's a catch-all word for various concepts aimed at cutting out the large intermediaries on the web. Serving the internet in this modern generations no longer entails signing up for Google, Facebook, or Twitter. Web 1.0 was the first versions of the internet back in 1990s. The web was considered a tool to democratize information sharing. However, there were fewer good ways to navigate it beyond visiting a friend's GeoCities page. It was a bit chaotic as well as exhausting. Subsequently, commencing in the mid-2000s, Web 2.0 emerged. Google, Facebook, Amazon, and Twitter were created to provide structure to the web by making it simple to engage as well as transact online. However, critics claim that these corporations have accumulated too much influence over time. The goal of Web3 is to reclaim a few of the controls. There really is a small business group that owns everything, and then there are the people who use it. And regardless of the fact that we contribute to the achievement of all these portals, we don't have much to exhibit for it, as said by a Berlin-based artist as well as researcher named Matt Dryhurst, who gave a lecture on the future of technology at New York University. So, as per Dryhurst, as well as other Web3 supporters, the solutions is an iterations of the web in which new search engines, social networks, and marketplaces emerge with no corporate bosses. Instead, users in the Web3 world manage their own data and use a single personalized account to go from social networking sites to email, to purchasing, generating official records of all of their activities on the blockchain. eWorld was created because of the need for a fair and responsible virtual place for women. All have an equal chance to create value. Bringing this concept a step further, eWorld has launched Coto, a Web3 social network platform dedicated solely to women. Coto, which is understood to mean coming together, is a new digital environment for women that allows for unrestricted creativity and is centered on the commitment of permission and ongoing ownership. Coto is a one-stop shop for women all across the globe, representing a society that seems to be not only free but also responsible and perhaps founded on participative control, where women can express themselves, engage in meaningful work, and be recognized without negativity. eWorld was created out of a need for a liberal and ethical virtual place for women that gives all people an equal chance at creating future. In many senses, the words Coto and limitless are interchangeable. Coto is a realm of boundless possibility that allows as well as empowers its users to have a full digital experience in an environment created by them as well for them, with really no boundaries. Coto is a realm of boundless possibility that allows as well as empowers its users to have a full digital experience in an environment created by them as well for them, with really no boundaries. A few of the Coto brand's components. A logo for a company. There had been a lot that would have to be expressed in Coto's logo. Warm, friendly, fun, and dependable. A vibrant geometric typeface with delicately curved corners wonderfully expresses the warmth, as well as the humor of the brand from a design standpoint. The letters represent each person's innate uniqueness and also originality. The T and the O merge into a harmonic yet forceful depiction of what the brand represents and is designed to do, bringing individuals together. The identity's predominant color is violet, which emphasizes independence and perhaps even innovations, while also being aesthetically attractive to the eye. It wonderfully portrays the brand's future vision of perseverance and excitement while also instilling in its people the intentions to develop and present themselves. Coto would be a logical outgrowth of eWorld, blending effortlessly and based upon the foundations of elevating, motivating, empowering, while enabling people to work together. Coto will allow women to focus majorly on what really matters most to them, and perhaps even the utility of the Web3 principles. Coto, on the other hand, permits decentralized autonomous organizations, or DAOs, to be administered by the community and to assist users in deciding upon new features and functions. In addition, governance assets can be used to motivate members to vote as well as participate in these self-administered DAOs. So, this is all about Web3 and Coto. Comment and let me know what you think about this entire initiative.